Are you fed up with being buried in paperwork and striving to stay on top of your finances? QuickBooks is the solutions you've been seeking for. QuickBooks has become the go-to accounting software for businesses of all sizes due to its user-friendly layout and robust functionality. And now, with QuickBooks hosting in the cloud from AvailClouds Hosting Services, you can take your accounting to the next level. Our cutting-edge servers hold your QuickBooks data securely and reliably, letting you to access it from anywhere at any time. Whether you're in the office, at home, or on vacation, QuickBooks hosting on the cloud allows you to keep on top of your money. You can also communicate in real time with colleagues, partners, and customers to make well-informed choices and greatly increase productivity. Nevertheless, the advantages of QuickBooks Cloud hosting do not end there. You'll never have to worry about losing your financial information again with regular data backups. And with AvailClouds Hosting Services security, you can rest assured that your data is safe from cyber attacks and other security risks. At AvailClouds Hosting Services, we are dedicated to offering the finest QuickBooks Cloud hosting available. In addition, for a limited time, we are providing new clients with a month of free trial. Read the video description for more info. Improve your accounting game now with QuickBooks Cloud hosting from AvailClouds Hosting Services. Visit our website to learn more and take advantage of our free trial offer.